thing is that white women's worst enemy is the sun. So you have a lot of Australian women. They're like probably were super hot when they were young, but the sun just ages them so fast. I like you.
Hi.
Are you from Brazil? Are you Brazilian?
No, Argentina.
Argentina, better than Brazil.
Even better. Okay, come on this side. He has to go because of the sun. You gotta come this way. Okay, tell us your name and your age. If it's gonna be both of you, you gotta come a little closer. It's not gonna bite me, is he?
No.
Okay.
Maybe.
Maybe. All right, a little closer. It's a small camera.
Okay.
All right. So, what is your name and your age?
Gina, 28.
Okay, and what about you?
Aldana, 28.
And both of you from Argentina, obviously.
Yes, we came together to Australia
Okay.
for a trip.
Just visiting.
No,
visiting.
To live.
To live.
Wait. Okay, who's telling the truth? You living here or
No,
visiting?
we are living here. We have a doggy.
You gotta. You can
have
bring
a dog, we are
that. You
living.
can bring it on the plane. Okay, so why is Argentina better than Brazil, man? You were starting some mess. How old are you?
I'm 19.
Oh no, back it up. Give me your name and your age.
I'm May and I'm 19.
Where are you from?
The UK.
Well, we're in the UK. It's a big kingdom.
Manchester.
Okay, awesome. Are you single? Are you married? Or are you dating?
Andrea can be on it. I don't want to be
Who?
on it.
Okay, now I know. Now I know you're the one. Come here, Andrea. Come here. One at a time. What is your name?
Cheyenne. What is this for?
Cheyenne?
Can I ask? Yes, what is this for?
I'm just gonna ask you some relationship dating questions.
Oh.
Don't worry, you'll survive.
I've never been in one, so I can't.
Are you? You're single?
Yes.
Okay. Why are you single?
First in football.
Food? Oh, football.
First in football.
No, we want to talk about women. Who has better women, Argentina or Brazil?
Second, women's.
Your women is better than
Yes.
Brazil? I gotta go to both to know for myself.
Third, the country at all.
Okay, why are Argentinian women better than Brazilian women?
I think because we are more pretty. I don't know.
Brazilian women are pretty too, though.
Yeah, I think that Argentinians are pretty.
Argentina
Yeah.
better dancing. Better dancing.
Better at dancing?
Yes.
What about sex? Is the sex better?
Sex.
Yeah.
You gonna prove it?
No.
You gotta back it up, because I've been with some Brazilians.
What is the
so-
interview
yeah.
about?
I know, right? Stay on track. All right.
Are you influencer? Sorry.
No. Why? Do you feel influenced?
No, but I
Am
don't
I
know.
influencing you?
No, but
Okay. Are you single or are you seeing someone?
single.
Why are you single? Hold that thought. Are you single
Single.
or
Yes.
Okay. Back to you. Why are you single? Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Why are you single?
For election?
For the election?
Yes.
What? You got single for the voting election? What?
Yes, because the
4B movement? That's you?
my love doesn't appear on my life.
Say it again.
My love doesn't appear in my life yet.
Oh, okay. Because you said election. I didn't know what that meant. Oh, selection.
No, but I choose for my choose. I choose to stay alone.
You choose to stay alone.
Yes. At the moment.
You think that's a cope? Okay, you. Why are you single?
No, I quit.
You gonna wait?
Because I have a lion here.
Yeah, that Sheba does look like a lion. All right. So why do you choose to be single? Make it make sense.
Sácame una foto, amiga.
You want some pull?
Why I'm single? Because
Look. The dog don't even want to be
because
single.
I'm single.
Are you on a girls trip?
We're traveling. With sisters.
For what purpose?
Just for fun.
Just for pleasure?
Yeah?
Okay. Let me ask you this. What was your longest relationship?
Haven't met the right person. Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 24.
Have you been locked away in a cave or something? How are you not meeting people?
Finish with my ex and now I'm alone.
Okay. Why'd your
Living the life
ex break up with you?
I don't remember the name, but
You don't remember his name?
the name of this.
The devil?
Yes.
Your boyfriend broke up with you or you broke up with him?
I broke with him
Why?
because he.
Is the devil?
Yes.
Diablo?
No.
How?
He stayed with other girl.
Okay.
And I go.
You don't want to share?
And I came to Australia.
Oh, it was that bad you had to leave the country? Where, you left Argentina or you were living somewhere else?
Argentina in Rosario, the city of Messi.
So it was so bad you had to leave.
Yes. So sad.
Yeah, but now he's got someone else and you're
Yeah,
single.
of course. Not boyfriend, but friends with rights.
Okay, so that's not by choice. You're single because you broke up with
Bueno.
your boyfriend.
You are so strict.
No, I just like the truth. I'm trying to get to the
I
truth.
have little boyfriends.
Ooh, you got sneaky links. We call it sneaky links.
Yes.
Wait, how many?
Skilling.
How many?
I've never been in one.
Never. Well, no, 19 is kind of young. All right. What? I'm going to ask you what you're looking for, and I know you're going to tell me you're not looking for no man.
I'm not.
But-
no.
All right. So where does this cocky attitude come from? When did it become bad for women to actually have interest in a relationship with a man? Why is this a bad thing now?
It's not. I'm just not interested.
Okay. So what's not good about it? Why you wouldn't be interested in it?
I don't know.
Are you not being approached?
I am, but just not with the correct energy.
Okay, give us an example of what this energy is.
I don't know. It's just something you feel in your gut, and it's just not right. So I don't want to.
You got to give us some kind of example of this. This is. You mean to tell you no man can do it, but the problem is everyone else? Hold on. What is this energy?
Maybe I am the problem, but I don't want to be a part of this anymore. There's too many people. I'm good.
Maybe there is no energy to approach you.
Maybe there's no energy.
I'll send a postcard.
Yes, absolutely.
I'll send a dove with a note tied to his foot. What the fuck? What kind of energy?
Only two.
God damn, she said only two. So how do you manage the two? I mean, what if
I
they
went to
both
my friend came to the interview.
what if both of your guys want to see you on the same night, the same day?
Now, it's time to stay with friend now.
Oh, you lie. You say, oh, I'm with a friend.
It's not a big lie. Like all the men's lie.
I don't lie. Not all the men's lie. I don't need to lie. If I'm with another woman, I'm going to tell you, hey, I got company.
It's not a lie that. It's an. Okay, sorry for my word.
Yeah, but okay, if a guy has another woman, right? Is he less attractive if he has another woman?
Is less attractive?
Like less attractive?
No, but he lied to me.
No. If he doesn't lie, if he just simply says, "Hey, I'm with
okay.
another woman."
I don't know.
Right now,
I know.
I'm with
Never
another woman.
happened to me. I have to stay in the situation. Never happened yet.
They were never honest to you
No,
and say, "Hey, I'm seeing someone else."
claro. That's right.
You don't give you the opportunity to compete.
Yeah, of course. But he don't wanna like.
I'm willing to compete.
I'm what?
I'm willing to compete. Me. I'll compete with those guys. Yeah.
Compete.
Yeah, I'll compete with your two guys.
Because I have a life to live, and it's a waste of my time.
Okay. Do you see how that's a contradiction? You just said there's nothing wrong with it, but then you're saying
Not
bad
for
things.
other people, but I do too much things, so I have no time.
What could you possibly be doing that doesn't have time for a man? A man could have took you on this trip. In fact, he could have took you on a much more extravagant trip. You made time for this trip. You wouldn't have made time for a man to take you on a trip?
No.
I don't think you're possibly too busy for a man at 19. I just don't see how it's possible. Are you a surgeon?
Yeah.
Are you doing open heart surgery?
Yeah, of course I am.
All right. Do you ever want to have children?
No. Met your match here, aren't
So,
you?
so what did God make you to do?
God didn't make me do anything.
Whoa. God made us with no purpose?
Yeah.
You
You do what you want in life.
Are you an atheist?
Yeah.
Do you know that's the devil's slogan? Do as thou wilt. That's the devil that says just do whatever
It
the
is
hell
what
you
it
want.
Is what it is.
You don't think that's a little selfish?
No.
You don't think there's a little boy or little girl inside you that would love to call you mommy?
I call my dog baby. It's fun.
Yeah, that's not even the same species.
It's better. They don't talk and they don't cry.
Okay, do you love your dog?
I love my dog.
Now, could you imagine the amount of love that you would have for a little you?
No, not really.
Do you love
I'm
yourself?
a nightmare, so
Do you
I
love
can only
yourself?
imagine what my child would be.
The good thing is there's plenty of time to change your mind.
No, I'm okay. I'm set.
All right, so hold on, wait a minute. So if I put my my supreme genetics in you, you're gonna terminate my baby?
Is this a question about abortion now?
No, I'm just saying though, if I was to give you some of my,
I wouldn't let you.
you know how much you just hurt my feelings?
Sorry.
We would make a very beautiful little mixed thing.
How old are
It'd
you?
be adorable.
How old are you?
What you thinking?
Older than me.
No,
definitely.
you're too young for me for sure. But
Exactly.
it was a hypothetical question though.
Okay.
The younger me though, you would have loved the younger me.
I'm
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you would have. I promise you.
Okay.
I would have. Hey, you quit hating. You semi cock blocking right now. We're trying to make a baby. I'm negotiating. Listen, you want to be auntie or not?
No.
You are hateful people. You are hateful women. You don't love children?
Thank you. That's the best compliment I've ever received.
All right, just pass me your phone number. We'll finish this up later. What's your Instagram?
I don't have any Wi-Fi. I don't have a SIM on my phone. I'm traveling.
If you had a man, you'd have a sim.
But I don't.
Because you'd have to keep track of your ass.
But I don't.
Okay.
I'm serious.
No, 2 is enough.
Okay, then you got to get rid of one of them.
2 is enough.
Then you got to get rid of one of them to make room for
I
me.
have afraid of Brazilians.
I'm not Brazilian.
I'm so big.
I'm Jamaican, baby. Yeah,
Ah,
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Ah.
Bob Marley.
Yo, so run away that boy. And
Da-da-da-da.
yeah, run away one of them boy and give room. Give me room.
Give me room. What is
Give me room.
a hug?
No, that means that means take one of your guy and go. One of your guys go.
No.
Make room
We
for
are
me.
like little, not boyfriends, but little close boyfriends.
You said you have 2.
Yes.
Okay, get rid of the other one.
No. No. But go Bob Marley.
Bob Marley?
Bueno, bye.
Wait, hold on. Let me give you your Instagram in case you change your mind. Nowadays, these girls are a terror. You have to be all kind of devious and diabolical. And you guys just aren't cut out for that. You're not ready. That's what it is. It's the guys aren't ready. You got to out-bad the bad in her. She's lucky she's half my age. I would change her life. She's also lucky I'm not rich. I would have given her a baby just to prove my point.
What is the
YouTube.
store?
YouBoobs. We're gonna put it on YouBoobs. It's a new platform. I'm creating a new social media platform called YouBoobs.
No.
Just titties.
You are not gonna interview me. This is no.
For YouBoobs?
Boobs.
Come to Miami. I get you boobs.
To Miami.
Come to Miami, I get you
I
boobs.
don't want a boobs.
Oh.
I'm okay. Like
Okay, so then don't complain.
all my little boyfriends like my boobs. Oh.
They're nipple lovers. Bye. Okay. Sydney, I'm not impressed. You know what? The problem is I live in Miami. So the bar is, set so high. So it's hard, It's hard for me to be impressed by the caliber of women in other places because my backyard has like the hottest women from all around the world. Oh well. The hottest girls we've seen today are from Brazil. And the Brazilian chicks in Miami are way hotter. It's the truth. But I'm not going to give up, guys. It's day 1. I'm going to keep on looking for some hotties. And if I find them, I'll show you.
Shout out Authentic Alphas. Like and subscribe.
For the boys, leave a like and leave a comment on Authentic Alphas. Hit that bell.
Shout out Authentic Alphas. Real shit.
Have a great night. Happy New Year. We'll
Happy
see you
New Year,
later.
man.
Hey, be safe.
Hey, man, I love you guys, man. Live life, brothers.